Well, hello everybody. Today, an unboxing of Dark Matter by TC Electronic. It's a guitar pedal. I'm building out a guitar pedal board, and I'm trying to get some inexpensive pedals that work. Um, and this one was pretty highly rated, and it wasn't very expensive, so I just grabbed it from Amazon. Arrived in 2 days, so that's about as easy as it gets. Uh, just do a quick look at it, and then we'll do some sounds. I'm sure there's a lot of professional videos out there on this where they go into in-depth analysis on how it works and all the various settings with the different amps. I'm just going to run it through my guitar into my Boss Cantana amp. I've got Seymour Duncan pickups, and I'll just twist the knobs around a little bit, hit some chords, and see how that sounds. Right, you can skip ahead to 135, and that should get you right at the start of the sound part. It's a standard 9-volt negative. I didn't open it to see if there was a battery in it or not. Volume and tone, bass and treble controls, gain and level, and it's also got a very small little micro switch in there to turn the voice on, so that'll be for when you want to knock out that bottom end for voice. Well, anyway, I think that's enough talking. Let me just do some chord demo. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care, everybody.